Greetings to the lecturers and my supervisor, Dr. J. Muhammad Imran. I'm Sharvini Tamodaran, a Bachelor of Science Financial Mathematics from University Malaysia Terengganu. Today, I would like to present on Final Year Project 2. Introduction. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency launched by its pseudonymous creator named Satoshi Nakamoto in early 2009. Bitcoin is very volatile. The price of the Bitcoin increases day by day. Today, the Bitcoin worth 440,000 ringgit. The research objective number 1 is to investigate the effect of Google searches to the price of the Bitcoin. The second research objective is to model the Bitcoin prices using a stochastic model of the study. The data for this study was taken from 1st of November 2015 to 1st of November 2020. There are two types of data will be taken. First one will be the number of Google searches for Bitcoin will be taken from Google Trends, and the Bitcoin prices will be taken from Yahoo Finance. Let's move on to the literature review. Abidin and Jafar in 2012 told that geometric Brownian motion model will be a basic guide for investors and other financial managers to predict the future prices in a short period of time. Simulating the price of the Bitcoin means generating the price of the Bitcoin that we follow in the future, was told by Krishna in 2016 from his thesis. Moving to the methodology of this research. To investigate the effect of Google searches on Bitcoin prices, we are going to use the formula of correlation coefficient. The coefficient will produce a value from -1 to 1. If the correlation coefficient stands for 1, then one variable is influencing another variable in positive direction. If the correlation coefficient is -1, then one variable is influencing another variable in negative direction. If it's 0, then both of the variables are not related. Then moving to the modeling of Bitcoin prices, we having a stochastic process is said to follow a geometric motion if it satisfies the following stochastic differential equation. This is the equation for the geometric Brownian motion. The derivation of the equation, the geometric Brownian motion, will be derived in two techniques. First one will be applying technique of separation of variables. We will be doing the techniques of separation of variables and we will get this formula, and the next technique will be used by performing Ito calculus and still will be getting the same formula as in separation of variables. This will be the simulating the price part equation. We must follow all these steps to predict the following day's price and to generate sequence of the days after. For the correlation coefficient between Google searches and Bitcoin prices, the correlation coefficient that we got is 0.56602, is in the range from 0 to 1, which means it is positively correlated. However, in a further investigation that we found that 0.56602 is considered as not really a strong positive correlation. So it can be told that the number of Google searches are not only the factors influencing the Bitcoin prices, modeling the Bitcoin prices dynamic and the simulation of Bitcoin prices. The return was computed from the data. The minimum value of return was -0.37558. The maximum value of return is 0.2251. The expected return of the distribution is 0.0018 and the standard deviation is 0.03873. Is the one simulated price of the Bitcoin prices. Since Bitcoin is very volatile and we able to simulate 100 parts of the Bitcoin prices. From the 100 parts of the Bitcoin prices, 4 are shown here. Moving to the conclusion, for the correlation coefficient between Google searches and Bitcoin prices, we can told that the result or base the expected result of effective one is 0.56608.135 falls on a moderate positive correlation. This means the relationship between the number of Google searches and Bitcoin prices are not perfectly strong to influence each other. Google searches are not only a source that influence Bitcoin prices. With the modeling of Bitcoin price dynamics and simulation of Bitcoin prices using a stochastic model, which is a geometric Brownian motion, is actually can simulate the price of the Bitcoin prices. Due to volatility, the GBM model can simulate many parts of the Bitcoin prices. This makes investors can plan well in their investment. Thank you.